Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fix voice message on WhatsApp if your voice message is sending without audio. So let's get started. I'm going to be showing you 3 solutions today. For the first solution, head over to your settings and then go to apps. Now look for WhatsApp, and once you've found it, head over to storage and cache. Then click clear storage, then click delete. And that's it for the first solution. Now for the second solution, go back to the previous page, then head over to permissions. Here, you have to make sure the microphone permission is allowed. And that's it for the second solution. Now for the third and final solution, head over to the Google Play Store and search up WhatsApp. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. And that's it. That is all the solutions I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.